Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a fuel-efficient 2012 Chevy Cruze ECO, stock number Z7226XX. 87,000 miles, and this Cruze comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This ECO has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed manual transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 28 miles to the gallon and the city average of 42 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7226XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.